Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 15 on your iPhone. So let's begin the video. So before I begin to show you how you can actually install iOS 15 on your iPhone, there are some things that you need to know. First of all, if you have an iPhone 6s or above version of iPhones, then only you can install iOS 15. If you have iPhone 6 or lower versions of iPhone, then you cannot install iOS 15 and there is no need to watch this video. Okay, so I have an iPhone 12 Pro which can have iOS 15. The next thing is that, as you know, iOS 15 is currently launched like yesterday, which was September 20, 2021. So since this is a brand new operating system or a brand new update, we don't know whether it will have any bugs or not. So I highly recommend that you back up your iPhone's data first, either to iCloud or iTunes, before upgrading the iOS of your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how you can back up your data to iTunes on your Windows or Mac PC or MacBook. So in this way, if you update your iPhone and something bad happens, then you're still going to have your backup data which you can bring back to your iPhone. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can back up your iPhone data to using iTunes on your PC, computer or MacBook. So after that, I will show you how you can update the iOS of your iPhone to iOS 15. So here I have iTunes opened on my laptop. If you don't have iTunes, then you can just open your browser and you can go to this website and download iTunes for your Windows PC or Mac. I will put this website's link in the video's description. Once you have downloaded and installed iTunes, the next thing that you need to do is to connect your iPhone with your Mac or PC. Once you connect, your iTunes will detect it. So it's telling me that a new update is available. Here on the top left, you're going to have a little phone icon. You're going to press on it and here it's going to show you the details of your iPhone. So here you can see a new version of the software is available. You can either update iOS 15 from here or from your iPhone, but for iTunes we're just simply going to back up our data to this particular machine. We're going to press on backup now, but before that we're going to select this computer so that all of the data from our iPhone is stored in this particular Windows PC. The process is same for Mac, and after that we're going to press on backup now. So for the backup, you're going to have a backing up iPhone on the top and it's going to show a loading bar. So the backup will take some time depending on how much data you have on your iPhone. So you can see that there is a bar moving on the top which is telling that data is being backed up. So the backup has been complete. Here you can see latest backup today at 11:50 a.m. so which means that our data was backed up like 10 minutes ago. So now we have backed up our data, we can move towards our iPhone for updating to iOS 15. So here is my iPhone 12 Pro, in which I want to update the iOS to iOS 15. So there are two things required. First of all, your phone needs to have an active internet connection because we're going to download the iOS 15 update first and then we're going to install it. And the second thing is that you need to connect your iPhone to a charger, because when you're going to download and install the update, it needs to have battery, I think more than 50%. So here is my iPhone. Let me just unlock it. I'm going to connect my MagSafe charger with my iPhone so that it gets power continuously. Now all we need to do is to open settings. We're going to go down where it says general. Here it says software update and now it's going to look for a software update. Here you can see iOS 14.8 is available, but if you look at the bottom it says upgrade to iOS 15, which is also available. So we're going to press on upgrade to iOS 15. Here you can see it's going to tell you all the things available. So from here we're going to press on download and install. But again guys, make sure that you back up your data first on iTunes or iCloud, wherever you want. We're going to press on download and install. It's going to ask for our passcode, and once I have entered my passcode to unlock this iPhone, you can see we got this loading bar. So now it's going to contact the Apple server to verify it. So you need to agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them. I'm going to press on agree again, and now it's going to download iOS 15 for us. You can see it says update requested, and this update is around 3.12 GB, which means that it's going to take some time to download depending on the speed of your internet connection. So I'm just going to wait until I see the loading bar. After that, I'm just going to leave my phone for around 1 to 2 hours. So here if you can see that we have a loading bar which says about 1 hour remaining. So this is the estimated time. Again, it's going to depend on the speed of your internet connection. So it says 1 hour remaining, so I'm going to come back when the loading bar is completed. So I'm just going to pause the video from here until the loading bar is completed. Again, make sure that your charger is continuously connected with your iPhone. So it took 2.5 hours to download the software setup. Here you can see. So all I'm going to do is to press on install now. It's going to verify our update, and now it's going to actually install iOS 15 on our iPhone. So we're just going to wait. The installation won't be that much long. So now the iPhone has shut it down itself automatically, and now it's going to install the iOS 15. So I'm just going to fast forward the video, and you can also see a loading bar on the screen as well. So now it's going to install the iOS 15. Here you got the Apple logo and the loading bar. So I'll be back once the installation is completed. So finally the update has been completed, and now we have iOS 15 running on our iPhone. So let me just unlock it, and here you can see software update completed. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 15.0. We're going to press on continue, and we got a little loading bar on the top right side, so we're going to wait. So in total, I would say, including download and installation of software, it took around 3 hours or so. Again, it's going to mainly depend on your device and your internet speed as well. So we're going to press not now. We don't need iCloud 50 GB for now. Don't share, welcome to your new iPhone. And here we have it. So guys, we have successfully installed iOS 15. If I go to settings, general, software update, and it shows that we have iOS 15.0. iOS is up to date. And let me see if I can see that new feature of the camera. So here I just took a picture of the book on my studio, and the best thing I like about iOS 15 is that it can read text from pictures or any other thing. So here you can see, if I just press on the text, you can see it has automatically selected it, and I can copy it, share it, anything. So if you have a link or anything like that, it can easily do, which is really cool about the new update of iOS 15, as you can see. But I will make a complete video about this. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. Anyways guys, thank you for watching and stay safe.